In this video, we're going to be installing the IRkernel for Jupyter Notebook on a Windows 10 machine. Now, this is a fresh installation of Windows 10, and I've only installed R, Python, and Jupyter Notebook on this system so far. So to show you why the IRkernel is necessary, I'm going to open the command prompt, and then I'm going to start Jupyter Notebook. And I go over to the New button. You'll notice that it only gives me the option to create notebooks with Python 3. So to add R, we're going to install the IRkernel. And to do so, let's close this window and then shut down our Jupyter Notebook server by hitting Control-C. And now I'm going to open the R console. So I go back to the search bar here. I type R space x64, hit open. And now inside the R console, I'm going to type install.packages, and then in parentheses, I'm going to put single quote, IRkernel with a capital I and capital R, lowercase kernel. Close the single quote, close parentheses, hit enter. You should be presented with a set of mirrors to choose from which to download the software. I'm going to select the Zero Cloud option and then hit OK. This will begin the installation. Once the installation is complete, I'm going to type IRkernel, again with capital I and capital R, ::, install spec, that's install SPEC, open and close parentheses, hit enter. So now that that's installed, I'm going to close the R console and go back to our command prompt. I want to restart Jupyter Notebook. Now this time, when we go over to the New button in Jupyter Notebook, you'll see that now we have the option of creating notebooks with R as well. So I'm going to create one, and you'll see here at the top that this is in fact an R notebook.